planning to have a lift. We have gone through so many things, and we saw yours, Nibav. When we saw it so looking so beautiful in picture, then we saw it in video. I say it's looking very, very nice and beautifully. And then we called you people. I came to your office and saw it, and I was very much impressed. I say, let's go for it. I think we have a wonderful experience. We are using it every day, and we find it very comfortable. And you can say the modern technology which you people have used, I think you hardly find in other lifts today. That's why the reason we have gone for it. There's a, you can say, dozen of people every day, even today people come there, they were looking at what is this, their tube-like thing, there's a tubular, and they say this is a lift, and people appreciate it. My family member appreciate it, outsider come, they appreciate it, people walking on the road, they stop and see it. It was when we saw this, we could feel that this particular lift can be fitted in our place, and it will not look odd. It will make our place also look beautiful. Because it's a beautiful thing, that's why you're going for it.
And some elderly people also who are not able to climb the steps and all, they have started using the lift whenever they come to pay visit and all. Definitely will. They are very happy.